What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Brelson's Rides. Today we are fixing our wheels that we...
Look, I got a boss sticker on my back.
He's got a boss sticker on his power wheel. You heard it here first. So we are fixing the wheels that are on the Foxbody. We have a... Hey!
I'll help you.
Yeah, you can help me. You gonna help?
Yeah.
All right, he's gonna help. So we're gonna fix the wheels that we put on the Fox. The inside rim has a weight on it that's rubbing, so we got 1/4 inch spacers. We're gonna throw the spacers on, gronk it back down, make sure it's safe first. But first, guys, if you haven't subscribed, we are only 16 subscribers away from Mrs. Brailsford learning on the stick shift on the Boss 302. So let's get there, subscribe. She's ready. You can see it in her face, right? All right, she's ready. So we're gonna go ahead and get these wheels off, and we're gonna put these spacers on. So let's knock it out. Yes, we really love these 10th anniversary Cobra rims. Ignore my Crocs with socks, but we're gonna get these off. We picked up these Dorman spacers. Hopefully they work, do the job. My friend said they run them, so we're gonna throw them on and see how they go. So the big issue we were having is right here. This wheel weight was rubbing right here. So yeah, we needed some room. Actually, I think I was rubbing up there. Just need some clearance for it. So that's what we're creating here. Let's grab our first spacer. See how the best way to do this. Kind of loose. Yeah, there's a lot of play here, and I feel like it should be hugging this center a lot better than it is. So we're gonna figure out something, but in the meantime, I just want to see if this will even work. So let's go and throw the wheel on. Let's see if we got room. Alright, so I heard that you want at least 4 or 5 good turns. We got 5, and we're gonna get more than 5, I can already tell, so I think we're good to go. Yeah, we got more clearance behind the wheel. I could, like, the difference between the rim itself and the...
Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad.
That should be enough. We'll give it a shot here in a minute. I like how it sits too better. I think this looks better.
Are you gonna work on the Foxbody?
Yeah, it looks good.
And are you gonna work on the Mustang?
Do the other side real quick. He posing over there. All right, we're about to see how these spacers work, guys. They didn't sit perfectly balanced on there, so
Come here, come on.
we're gonna test them out real fast. Oh, come on, no. Yeah, that thing doesn't look half bad with the top down and the tonneau cover up. We'll see if these wheels are still rubbing. Not real quick if this thing is rubbing. I think it's rubbing in the wheel well. Haven't taken this thing out in a minute. I'd say she might even be a little quicker with these wheels. I don't know. Maybe it's just I haven't driven it in a minute. She looks good though. The wheels seem to be running good. I won't know until highway speed how much they shake. Alright guys, so I discovered something. My front tires were rubbing really bad. And then I found out that I had 245, 45, 17, 245, 45, 17s on the back. And then I was running 225, 50 17s on the front. And I think the 50 was causing them to rub. So even though they're skinnier, I put them on the back, put a spacer on them. They actually still look good. If you look at it, the stance is pretty good right there. So I switched them around. We're gonna do the same thing to the other side and see how it goes. Little man's upset. You wanna go learn? Let's go learn. You wanna come help? All right, so we got the second wheel moved over. Little man's here for his own little lesson. What do you think, Hayden? Huh? Nope, don't touch that.
Now we got
He's trying to walk.
now we got the Foxbody away.
You watching? Ready to learn?
Daddy.
Oh yeah. Yeah, she definitely cleans up nice. Especially that cover on the car, she looks pretty nice. All right, guys. So those new wheels are sitting really good. We swapped them around to give some more clearance due to the smaller sidewall of the tires that we had on the rear. We moved them to the front, and it gives me a little more space, but I still am rubbing. So I think I'm gonna do is go on LMR and order some steering rack limiters and clip those on there, and maybe just see if we can like how well we can operate before or with it before we rub. You know, you don't want to limit mobility too much, but I also don't want to rub my wheel wells out to where they're not there anymore, right? So we were about to head to a car show, and I was going to take the Fox, but Maddox just had eye surgery, and thanks everybody for the thoughts and prayers. His eye surgery went well, but he can't get dust in that, so having the convertible is not the best idea. So I just put the tonneau cover up on it, so I think I'm just gonna park it. Maybe I'll take it to work this week, but right now that's how she sits. We're gonna park her, we're gonna pull the boss out, and we're gonna take the boss, go get some ice cream with the boys. All right, let's go. We put the Foxbody away, we're loaded up in the boss, and we're going to get some ice cream. Who wants ice cream?
Me.
Ice cream time. Thing, Maddox. Looks like mine, but not really. Right? Not really. Do it for today's video. If you haven't already, you stuck with us to the end, don't forget, click that like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. Like I said, now we are 15 subscribers away from our 2,000 number, and Mrs. Brailsford learning stick shift in this car. You know, I'm gonna be a nervous wreck for that, but it's coming up. So click that subscribe button. Let's get there. Let's make it happen. Boys, you have a good time?
Yeah.
Enjoy the ice cream?
Yeah.
Was it good? This video had a little bit of everything, a little bit of Fox content, a little bit of boss content, some car show. What more could you want? But that's gonna do it for today. You guys take care, stay safe, stay blessed. I'm out.